Hi, it's Captain Will Rogers from Boston Whaler, and I'm on the new 365 Conquest. I'd like to invite you to come on board with me and see all of the innovative features of the boat.
Meet the versatile new 365 Conquest from Boston Whaler. With a fresh, modern design approach to the cabin cruiser, it's a luxurious entertainer, a capable multi-day adventurer, and a formidable fishing boat. Built with Boston Whaler's legendary unsinkable construction, it can be powered with up to 1,200 horsepower to get you to your destination quickly and safely. We've added some game-changing features to the new Conquest, including a customizable aft deck, a 3-position convertible lounge at the helm deck, and a premium cabin space that sleeps up to 5.
Starting at the transom of the boat, we feature twin 600 V12 Verados. Our standard offering on the boat will be triple 400 V10s. The cockpit features everything the serious fisherman is looking for, but also has all the cruising amenities that you might find on larger cabin boats.
At the transom, there's an optional summer kitchen with a sink and a grill. You'll also find handy 110-volt outlets and a refrigerator for cold drinks and meal ingredients. Multiple storage drawers, a transom access door, additional storage with a 5-gallon bucket holder, and an optional fold-down seat on the port side. Our standard offering for the aft seating is a generous flip-out bench seat. Our shore power cord features an electric reel for ease of use. The bilge is methodically laid out with ease of access to the battery, generator, seakeeper, and other relevant systems. The 2-part aft dining table stows conveniently and securely under the mechanical access hatch. A rear-facing seat is more than meets the eye, with an optional refrigerated storage door behind the bolster, a pull-out footrest, a reversible backrest, and an additional pull-out bench seat with storage to complement cockpit seating.
The helm deck of the 365 offers many convertible options and great vistas of the environment.
On the portside companion console, you'll find a 19-inch Simrad touchscreen with full capabilities, an integrated glove box, and beneath the seat, you have even more storage. The passenger backrest is reversible, converting the portside into a fully padded lounger, or booth-style dining with a power lift table. Starboard, you'll find generous countertops, cup holders, and a refrigerator, sink, and optional cooktop.
The helm station of the 365 Conquest gives you all the features that you become accustomed to finding on a Boston Whaler, including ease of use and great situational awareness.
The helm features 2 19-inch Simrad touchscreens with ease of access to all boat functions. Throttle, joystick, and manual switches are at your right hand, and a JL audio system provides premium sound. Overhead, we will find a Simrad VHF radio and our Seakeeper display. Precise fit and finish throughout the helm give a sense of luxurious functionality. The helm seat is fully adjustable, and there's convenient storage, including inductive charging for items like smartphones. 2 generous windshield vents, port and starboard, are electrically actuated. All of this is complemented by a generous reverse cycle air conditioning for cooling and heating.
Continuing on, let's go look at the luxury features of our well-appointed cabin.
The cabin of the 365 Conquest is an example of luxurious and open design, featuring through-hull windows to add a connection with your environment, an ample portside settee, generous mid-berth accommodations, and ample storage for long voyages. Featuring a dry head with an acrylic shower door, a porcelain vacuum flush toilet, vessel sink, storage, and grab bars. The master berth features our award-winning dynamic cabin system that converts from booth-style dining to a bed at the push of 2 buttons. Charging and 120-volt outlets are placed conveniently bedside. Overhead cabinets provide convenient access to propulsion ignition, generator, refrigeration controls, as well as electric breakers and a microwave.
The sun pad on the bow of the 365 Conquest is going to be a family favorite, but there are other notable features.
Toe stops are incorporated around the perimeter of the deck. The windlass with stainless steel anchor and rode are simple to control either from the helm or with a remote. A washdown hose connection makes cleanup easy. Windlass tool storage is strategically placed. An optional upper station features a bench seat, full controls including throttle and joystick, and another Simrad touchscreen. Everything you need to pilot the boat with a commanding view from above. Whether you enjoy cruising on the coast, anchoring overnight, fishing offshore, or multi-day trips, this is a boat that can handle anything. Rain or shine, foul or fair, all 365 days a year.
Thank you for joining me on the walkthrough of the 365 Conquest. For more information, please visit our website, bostonwhaler.com.